Power tools use many bearings to allow various components to rotate. Over time, a ball bearing will wear and begin to fail. A bearing that is failing will usually give warning, often with a squeaking or a squealing sound. Replacing a ball bearing is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor brushes from the grinder. Now remove the 4 screws that secured the gearbox to the motor. Now separate the armature from the gearbox. Now I can remove the bearing. I'll use a bearing separator and my vise to do that. I place the separator over the bearing and tighten it up. Now place the separator over the vise jaws. I'll use a socket that has a diameter slightly smaller than the inner race on the bearing. And now I can tap the armature free. Now I can install the new bearing. If the plastic disc came off the armature, you want to go ahead and replace it. Now I'll place the bearing onto the armature shaft, and this time I'll use a socket that has a diameter about the same size as the inner race to tap the bearing into place. Now reattach the armature to the gear housing. Now reinstall the armature and gearbox assembly back into the motor housing. And I'll secure it with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the brushes. And now you know how to replace the bearing in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.